See this online shop, it's intentionally vulnerable, and you're allowed to hack it. This is OWASP Juice Shop, a fake e-commerce site packed with real-world bugs, SQL injection, XSS, IDOR, broken auth, all the stuff attackers actually exploit. It's designed for VAPT practice, bug bounty training, and interview prep. Example: the login page. Instead of a real email, I try, or 11. If the backend is vulnerable, the query becomes always true, and I log in without a valid account. That's a classic SQL injection. Juice Shop gives you a safe target to practice these attacks. Use tools like Burp Suite, and learn how to find, exploit, and then fix vulnerabilities like a real VAPT engineer. Use this only in legal labs like Juice Shop or systems where you have written permission. You hack random sites, you're not a hacker, you're a criminal. Comment Juice if you want a full step-by-step series. Install, burp setup, and advanced challenges.